In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate or get your Amazon affiliate link. I believe you have your Amazon affiliate account already. If not, I have a tutorial and I'll show you how to sign up Amazon affiliate program. If you don't have your account, just watch this video, but I believe you have your account already. First, we need to search for the product, and let's say camera. I'll search for a camera. You can go through the cameras down here and find whatever you're looking for. Or let's say I want DJI or small 3. Let's say I want this camera. I'll click on it. Highlight the title just so you remember. Let me show you how to generate this particular link. To generate the link, hover on test and click on it. This is the short link for this camera. I'll right click, copy, or you can go for the full link, which I'll not advise you. It's up to you, but I prefer the short link. Like I just show you, right click, copy. When you copy the image, try and add some effects. Listen to this. The most important thing you have to know is that with Amazon, you have to include affiliate disclosure. When you check my website, scroll down, I have Amazon disclosure here. Just highlight and copy this, and wherever you're gonna promote this, make sure you drop it under the affiliate link. And I will advise you to change this, because my website name is systeme.io. Change this into either your brand name. In my case, I'm using my website. Depends on where you want to promote this link. For instance, I'm promoting Amazon product on this website. I have in the description, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Successpage.io is a participant in Amazon blah blah blah. This is my Pinterest account. When you scroll down, I'll show you. This is Amazon microphone. I created this image in Canva. Even though I copied this from Amazon, I used Canva to design this thing, and I added some effects and stuff. You can use Canva to design your image. When you click more after the purchase, Blogsdom is a participant in Amazon Services LLC associate because Pinterest is Blogsdom. If you don't have this side stripe bar up there, that means you have to enable it. Just go to the settings up here, top, click on it, and in my case, I have it enabled. That's why it's checked green. In your case, click on side stripe options, then you click on tools. When you click on tools, it's gonna guide you to enable it. I thought of bringing that up. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment,